All day long we have been sharing videos and pictures that you've been sending in from around New England.
One little girl from Scituate wanted to show off her snow reporting skills.
It's a very snowy situation out today, and if I venture, it's about 17 inches of snow. If that's not all, there's way more coming. Instead, stay indoors and stay safe.
That's 9-year-old Adriana Stevens. She's in the 3rd grade, and it looks like she has quite the future ahead of her. I don't know if she's going to go into weather, news reporting, or
Some sort of public speaking, something when she's in front of an audience or a crowd, because she's a natural and she definitely has a passion for it. I can still hear her. She's going to keep on going as we take a break.